Hello, welcome to the It's English Time. I am Ava.
And I am Charlie. Today, we are going to talk about a superpower.
No, it's not flying. And no, it's not super strength.
It's something even better for learning English. Can you guess?
It's consistency.
Consistency sounds boring.
Maybe, but it's powerful. People ask me all the time, Charlie, how can I become fluent quickly? Ava, is there a shortcut to learn English fast?
And we always tell them the truth. There is no magic pill.
But there is a secret that really works, and we will share it today.
So grab a cup of tea, sit comfortably, and let's discover this superpower together.
Imagine a big, hard rock.
And now imagine a drop of water. Drip. The water falls on the rock.
Nothing happens. The rock is hard. The water is soft.
But the water doesn't give up. Drip, drip, every day.
1 week passes. The rock looks the same. 1 month passes. Still the same.
But after a long time, the soft water makes a hole in the hard rock. Amazing, right?
Learning English is just like the water. You are the water, and English is the rock.
People ask me, should I study 5 hours today and then rest for a week?
Well, if you do that, you're more like a storm than water. A storm makes a lot of noise, but it doesn't make holes in rocks.
Exactly. But if you study even just 10 to 15 minutes every day, drip, drip, you will make progress.
Consistency may feel slow at first, but small steps add up over time.
Let's look at some real-life examples.
Imagine listening to one English podcast episode every day. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. After a month, you've listened for 300 minutes. That's 5 hours without feeling overwhelmed.
Or reading one paragraph in English each day. One paragraph today, another tomorrow. Eventually, you'll read a full story easily.
Even speaking, saying 5 new words every day might seem small, but 1 year later, you know 1,825 words.
That's a lot of words. Enough to talk about pizza. And maybe your love for chocolate, too.
See? Consistency works in English, in life, and even with chocolate. Probably.
Now let's stop and look at some important words from the story.
Consistency. Noun. Doing something the same way over time. Example. I practice English every day. I am consistent.
Eventually. Adverb. After a long time. Example. I studied English a little every day. Eventually, I became fluent.
Fluent. Adjective. Able to speak a language easily and well. Example. I am fluent in English. I can talk without thinking too much.
Progress. Noun. Improvement or movement forward. Example. Even small practice makes progress in English.
Did you notice how these words connect to learning? Consistency leads to progress. Small steps eventually make you fluent.
And yes, even chocolate practice counts if it makes you happy.
Let's make this practical. How can you be consistent in English learning?
Here are some ideas. 1. Set a daily time. Even 10 to 15 minutes counts. 2. Use short, fun materials, podcasts, songs, or small stories. 3. Track your progress. A small calendar or checklist works wonders. 4. Mix skills. Listen one day, read the next, write a short sentence, or speak a few words.
People ask me, what if I miss a day?
Don't worry. Drip, drip. Just continue tomorrow. Missing one day doesn't break the habit.
Another tip. Celebrate small wins. Learned 5 words today? Great. Read 1 paragraph? Awesome.
Consistency is like a snowball. Start small, and over time, you'll have a big snowball of knowledge.
And remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey. Small daily actions will make a huge difference.
Now I have a question for you. What is one small habit you want to start today?
Write it in the comments. We will read every answer.
Even just 10 minutes a day. Drip, drip, drip will make a difference.
Thank you for listening to the It's English Time. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and see you in the next episode.
Bye. And remember, be the water, not the storm.